Next, let's remove broken fallbacks. Fallbacks are the LLM models that your bot will use if your primary one isn't available. So let's say, show me my current model configuration and remove any fallbacks that aren't set up. Now, sometimes when you send prompts like this, it won't actually send the results into Telegram. Sometimes these only show up in the gateway dashboard. You can see here in the gateway dashboard that there's this long JSON file it returned that just didn't come through in Telegram. You can specifically ask your bot to send you a Telegram-friendly version if you do encounter that, where it seems like it doesn't respond to you after thinking and performing a request. Or you can just pop back over into the dashboard to see it. So here we can see that the models that it has available to use are the various Claude models, Opus, Sonnet, Haiku, and it has access to various OpenAI models, 5.2, 5.1 Codex, 5 Mini, 4.1, etc. We didn't get to see the earlier version of this, but by default, OpenClaw has a ton of placeholders for fallback LLMs to use. But here we're only seeing the 2 different LLM providers that we have set up in our API keys. So this is what we want to see. Let's go back to Telegram and just double check here. We'll ask it, what fallback models do we have set up? And here you go, it shows us that same list. So like I said, sometimes you just have to ask it additional questions to actually get it to show you the work that it did in Telegram.